Yo, what's up guys? We're back again on Adopt Me. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the location of the ticks. So, let me show it right away. So, the first ticks is at the, what do you call this room? This thing, where you get your license. There's one on the stairs. Make sure to get that. The first thing you go here, go to the right, and go to under the stair. So let's go to the next one. That's the first one. The next one is at the supermarket. Make sure to go here. Then go to the refrigerator, the secret refrigerator over here. Okay? Where is it? It's at the blue something. Wait, let's get this. I think it's over here. Wait, I'm still finding it. Okay, it's over here, guys. There's one ticks right here. When you go there, this is the spot where you go. You have to go here and go to this blue thing. Yeah, that's the second one. The third one is at the nursery. Let's go there right now. I think it's at the baby place. Yeah, over here. There's one ticks right here. Make sure to get that. Yeah. There's one ticks right there. Make sure to get that. And yeah, let's go to the what do you call this? Hospital. There's one right here. Make sure you go up these stairs. Over here. Then which one? Mini, money, mo. Okay, this one. I think there's one right here. Over here, guys. Behind the pillar. When you come in, make sure to go to this pillar and you will see the ticks right here. Okay? So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the school. Wait, lagging. Okay? You go to the school. I think, wait, I need to feed my classic teapot. I think there's one right here. This thing. On this library, there's one, two, over here. That's where you find your ticks. Wait, let me feed him first. Then, the next ticks is somewhere at the... Where is it now? Oh, wait, no. On the cave. The next ticks is on the cave. Make sure to go there right away. It's at the cave. Let's get this grappler. It's over here. Ow. Ow. Oh my god. Okay, it's right here somewhere. Somewhere on that stick. You will see it. It's glowing particle ticks. And let's go to the next one. I think there's one at this coffee shop. Go here. Walk here. At the behind the Queen Bee. Yeah, over here. It's behind the Queen Bee, not over here. It's over here, behind the Queen Bee. Yeah. Make sure to get that too, because that's very important. Next is the ice cream shop. You go here. Go here. Here. Somewhere around, you will need to find a circle. Yeah, over here. There's one ticks right here, over here. Make sure to just jump. You got it. Okay? Next is at the wait, I think it's at the, oh yeah, it's at the toy store, I think, toy store, yeah, whatever you call this building, it's right here. If you're good at obby, you can parkour up there, but I'm not good at obby, so I'm gonna use a propeller. You can just obby up here, go to this thing, then go to this thing, and voila. See, there's one right here. I think the last and final one is at Newbert, near this gift shop. Oh no, I got teleported again inside, but you can go inside again. You can go here. Oh my god. Why am I keep teleporting here? Okay, finally, uh, you can just go here. Oh wait, this is the portal that I've been talking about. So yeah, here's Newberg. And there will be the last and final one over here. If you want to get a teapot, a classic teapot, go talk to Bert. He will give you one. And voila, you found all the places and the location on where and how to find the thieves. So that's all for today's video. If you want more videos like this, just subscribe and I hope to see you next time. By the way, if you age up your classic teapot, you'll get raw coins. And bye-bye!